Kasi kung wala po ito, magbubulahan na lang po tayo dito, katulad ng ginagawa ng mga ibang mga speaker na nag-aalok ng opportunity. Okay po ba? Right. SARS. Now, alam niyo po ba, ang dami kong nakakausap, pwede po sa networking, mga top earner pa yan, real estate, talaga ang daming industry, insurance. Alam mo, tinanong ko lang ito, hindi lang masagot. Hindi po talaga nila masagot, kahit anong tanong ko. At sila nagtanong sa akin ngayon, naman paano mo ba naisip yan? Sabi ko, wala lang, naisip ko lang yung realidad. Kasi ang hirap yata magsalita sa gitna ng maraming tao at pinupukol mo yung mga magandang buhay, mayaman ka, kikita ka naman natin, ganito. Abay, sa totoo lang, nakaligtaan ng isang speaker, banggitin ito, o sadya siguro na hindi niya alam. Okay? So ito po, tinanong ko sa kanya, hindi na masagot. Ngayon po, handa ka na makalabis sa 55, of course, nandito na kayo. Now, are you ready to transform your everyday spending into savings? Alam mo mo, madalas, I'm sure you will agree with me, we spend a lot. Tanong ko po, karamihan ba sa kayo may savings? Alam po natin yun. Kung may savings, magkakarampot lang. At ito pa, a birthday. Birthday or fiesta. Ano nangyayari sa savings? Nag-rapid tayo. Tama? Kasi gusto magpa-fiesta, maghanda. Matakay mo, nagpa-fiesta ka sa inyo, gumasto ka libo-libo. Ang isang taong inibita mo, nagdala ng 10. Hindi mo mapipigilan yun. Pinakain mo. Nung inihain mo na yung isang lechon, wala pang 5 minutos, ubos na yung lechon. Di ba ko? Pero masaya tayo kasi nakapagpakain tayo. Tradition nga naman, di ba? So, yun. Pag-usapan natin mamaya yung savings. Let's turn your mobile phone into an income generator. Sa totoo lang, yung cellphone mo natin, hindi lang natin lang, puro gastos po yan. Tama mo ba? Puro gastos, bayad ng loan, pag sumigaw si Shopee, nakapabili ka ng walang oras, dami yung gano'n. Magastos po ang phone natin. But sa Sutify, may paraan tayo dyan na gawin natin ATM yung phone natin. Kaya kami lahat sa Sutify ngayon, parang ATM yung phone namin. Mamaya, malalaman yung bakit parang ATM. So what is Sutify? Just to give you an idea kung paano ko ba na-conceptualize yung Sutify. During the time of pandemic, I'm sure lahat tayo dumating sa pandemic, wala tayong magawa, kundi nag-isip tayo na, huwag naman sana akong tamaan ng COVID, something like that. So wala akong magagawa kasi during the time, I was also on the verge, I'm in the middle of experiencing severe depression during the time. Okay? So, nangyari, walang magawa sa bahay, inupay ko lahat yung mga wallet ko, yung mga bag ko, cardisis. Nakita po ako ng daming card, alam niyo yung mga discount card, nag-iba't iba mo na tindahan, nationwide, meron ako doon. Meron pa akong mga coupon. Alam niyo sa hotel, nabibili mo yung voucher na 1 taon mo na gagamitin. And fortunately, hindi natin nagamit, pero binayaran yun. So, ang dami ko pong nakikita. Sabi ko, ano kaya gagawin ko dito? Pag ginawa ko, ini ko lang sa table ko. So, magbalik ko sa kabilang kwarto ko, meron kasi akong DVD. Ang hindi ko bumili ng mga DVD. Diba? Tatlo 100 yun. Diba? Yung mga pirated DVD. Alam niyo po yung DVD ko, parang ganito, isang wall. Ganito, isang gano'n. Eh, maayos ako pag ano, gusto ko action, comedy, horror, adventure, thriller. Parang pag bumunod ako, alam mo category. Tanda. Alam mo, habang nakatayo ako, nag-isip ako, tingin ako, bigla ko napatanong sa sarili ko, paano kaya ginawa ni Netflix ito? Ito. Di ba? Si Netflix, di ba? Action, comedy, horror, di ba? It's just a click of your finger lang, on your phone or your tab. Paano ginawa? Paano convert ni Netflix ito? Yun mo ang pumasok sa isip ko that time. Sabi ko, may idea na ako. Balik mo doon sa table ko. Ang daming card, may plastic, may karton, may ano na. Sabi ko, paano ko i-convert ito into digital? Yun po ang simula. Kaya napangalan ko yan, Sutify. And by the way, bakit nga ba Sutify? Pamilya ba sa word na Sutify? From the word? Suki. Suki. Di ba? Alam mo yung word na suki, akala nyo pang Tagalog lang yan. Kasi hindi po. Lahat po ng nakakaintindi po ng word na suki. Yung nga lang, instead of using letter S, I changed it to letter Z to sound like Japanese. Sukipai. So, yun po yung naging branding. That's why our Sukipai is a registered trademark name na po yan. Wala na pwede mga kopya. Okay, well, it's already available and Shopify is considered as the world's first digital discount card platform. I never thought about it na yung inimbento ko, ganito lang yung mangyari. And it's already available in Apple Store and Google Play. In other words, it took us, alam mo, hindi naman ako IT. Yun ang problema that time. Hindi ako IT, nakaisip lang. So, nung kinausap ko ang daming IT company, hindi na mag-get. Until some time, yung friend ko, which is my Chief Technology Officer and Co-founder, nakuha niya yung utak ko. So, it took us 5 to 6 months to create the apps, the program, the platform. At nangyari po, nung panahon ng December, last year December na, 2024, na-approve na po tayo sa Google Play. Okay, live na po tayo. Pagpatak ng January this year, na-approve tayo kay Apple Store. Alam niyo po, ang pinakamahirap dito sa dalawa si Apple Store. Kasi pag yung apps mo, yung ginagawa namin, pag nakitaan ni Apple Store na red flag, na pwedeng mag-scam ng tao, lulukohin ng tao, hindi ho kayo papasa. Grabe po yung compliance po nila, as in sobra. Kung baga sa nag-apply ka ng trabaho, pinapahirapan ka muna bago ka makapasok sa trabaho, parang ganun po sila. Lahat-lahat ng nitty-gritty, tinitingnan po nila. May nagsabi sa akin na, ako malabo ma-approve ka kay Apple Store, pero take note, na-approve tayo kay Apple Store. Okay? Kaya proud ho kami dyan na isang accomplishment po namin yan. Kasi yun po yung pinakamahirap. And it's already live right now if you go to Apple Store and Google Play. Okay? Now, always remember, Shopify is not a networking company. Okay? Kasi kadalasan mga nakikita nyo seminar, may networking naman yan. O kaya real estate or insurance. Diba? Mag-i-buy. Si Shopify is a membership platform. Just like any other well-known organization like Fitness. Sino ba yung mga sikat na mga gym ngayon? Fitness First, Anytime Fitness, Gold Gym, at kung ano pa. Tama po ba? Hindi ho kayo pwede pumasok doon at magdadumble-dumble ka doon or gagamitin ng facilities kung hindi ho kayo member. Bukod doon, magbabay ka pa ng yearly, magbabay ka pa ng monthly. Failure to pay your monthly dues, definitely you cannot go inside. Lalo na po ngayon, hindi na po uso ngayon yung card na ginagamit or ID. Biometric na po ngayon. Now, kung hindi ka nakabayad, last month, o itong mata to, pag gano'n mo sa pintuan, hindi ka makakapasok kasi hindi ka bayad. Okay? So, Gold Club. Naku mo, magkano mo pa-member sa Cebu Country Club? Million mo ang membership. But on top of that, meron pa kayong monthly. Tama? Like Casino Espanyol, City Sports Club. Ganun din po. Running. Ito, Brotherhood, Fraternity. Marami din. Ako, member din po ako ng Philippine Eagle, Brotherhood. Meron kaming yearly, meron kaming monthly dues. Hindi pa kasama po yung sinasabi natin na project. Buo pa yun. Okay? At member din po ako ng past president po ako ng Rotary Club. So kami yung sa Rotary, kami nila Miss Emma, sila Marilili, mga Rotarian kami, talagang may yearly na, may monthly pa po kami binabayaran. Alam niyo po ba yan? Okay? Bikers Club, di ba? Dating Bikers Club sa Pilipinas ngayon. Diyos ko, abot ako kahit saan. Ano pa? Mountaineering Club. Ito, alam niyo to sa ibang country. Costco. Ito, alam niyo yan? I'm sure, member kayo yan. Di ba? Nung bago pa lang session na, haba-haba na pila natin. Tapos, kino-construct pa lang yung restaurant. Itong panahon na yun, parang lakad daw na kayo mga taxi mo. Humintan tayo. Gusto mo siya SNR, sila nurse. Paano ko? Membership din po yan. Tama. At kung Rotary Club, Philippine Eagles Club, BNI, Kiwanis Club, Dice Club, and a lot. BCBP is also a membership, mga kaibigan. So, ang dami. So, at least, ito yung example na sinasabi ko. But, what sets Shopify apart? Anong nakaiba ng membership natin? It's not just the membership, it's a unique opportunity that comes with it. May opportunity po, hindi na membership. Alright? So, in comparison, most clubs and organizations, they charge similar, even higher, which is true. I mean, we've been paying it every year and monthly. But, wala man lang opportunity to earn or save or discount na inaalok. Wala pong ganun. Walang financial in return, wala, puro labas. Kaya minsan, ang nangyari sa amin noong una, yung mga kasama namin, humihinto na po. Ba't hindi na active? Kasi wala nang ilalabas na pera monthly. O kay galit na si misis. Kasi puro labas ng pera. So ito po, that's the reason why Sukipai is a game changer. Akala ko kasi, ang didi-disrupt ko kayo sa digital card lang po. Pati din pala, ang membership, na-disrupt ko rin. I'm sorry to say the word disrupt kasi pag nakakita ni disruptor is parang negative ang dating. But what we're doing is disrupting in a very good manner. Okay? Wala akong masama basta makikinabang tayo mga tao. Hindi yung para tayong contractor. Sabihin ka rin I wanna be a contractor. Sabi ng bata. Anong gusto mong maging laki? Gusto mong maging contractor. Pakibata, gusto mong maging contractor. Ayaw maging doktor. Okay? So, game changer po yung atin. So, of course, we comply all the Consumer Act of the Philippines. Okay, lahat yan. Nakukomply pa natin lahat yan. So, let's talk about our management team. Of course, that's me, obvious. I'm the President CEO and the founder of Sukipai. I'm the one talking in front of you right now. Janet Velasquez, the Chief Finance Officer, is there at the back. Eddie Banyes is my Chief Technology Officer and co-founder. By the way, our office, business address is located at the 4002B of this same building. Okay? So this is our training room. And of course, I would like to introduce our legal team, Attorney Raul Padilla, our Chief Legal Officer, which is, he's on the back. Right there. So ilan kami? 1, 2, 3. Tatlo ho kami nandito, board of director ko. Nandito ho kami tatlo. Mamaya makakausap niya kami. And of course, yung assistant niya, si Attorney Raul Padilla. And we are registered under SEC under the name of Nobel Pride Incorporated, which came from my name, Noel Velasquez, and Nobel po. Okay? And Sukipai. Now, this is our event that was March 23, this year na po. This year is our drone launching during the time. Okay? And that's me, and there's a mascot dancing right there. It's not a children's party, by the way, but it's a launching. But I will reveal to you on why Jollibee mascot is there. Okay, our payment gateway segment is a Singaporean, Malaysian Singapore company, by the way, and we don't accept cash payment dito po. Kasi in-anticipate ko po yan, baka may magsabi na, uy, inutusan ako sa Atty. Padilla or Dinwaldas Sukipai, mamamalekta daw ng membership. Nakakatakot po yun, baka gamitin mo. Kaya lahat ng mga fee or membership should be passed to Maya, GCash, and all the major bank using your, third-party payment gateway ito para maiwasan yung mga kalokohan. And Sukipai is a proud member of European Chamber of Commerce of the Philippines. Okay? So nauna po sila. Then hopefully will become a member of Cebu Chamber of Commerce as well. So susunod po yan. Nauna lang po talaga sila. And of course, ano ba talaga Sukipai? No? What is Sukipai? Okay. It's for me, is envisioned as the next big thing. Ako'y nangarap din po na si Sukipai ang maging sikat na katulad ni Alibaba, ni Grab, ni Airbnb, ni Lazada. Yun po yung dream ko po. At least ito, Pinoy. Kasi pag sinabi mong Alibaba, o kaya Grab, o kaya Uber, yan po ay mga foreign company po yan. Pero this time po, kailangan, kumbaga sa Bisaya pa, magpapildi dito ang mabilis sa Bisaya. Dito papildi, kailangan sa buong mundo, makikilala din yung meron tayong ginawang unique na platform katulad sa Sukipai. So we're gonna talk about discount, cashback, and others. Right? Now, ang ginawa ko, ito, may ginawa na ng disrupting na naman mga kaibigan. Ito naman no. Ang ginawa ko, most platforms only focus on businesses leaving consumers behind. Ito po, pag member ho kayo ng isang organization o puro businessman na po yun. Paano naman kung isang ordinary mamamayan ka lang po? Paano ka makapasok doon? Parang outsider ang dating. In short, parang langit at lupa ang pagitan. Ang mayaman, ang mahirap ito. Ito yung consumers sila dito. Pero ano, babaguhin mo natin lahat yan. Because we believe both are equally important. No business can grow without consumers. And consumers need businesses to meet their needs. Oo nga naman. Kasi, ang mga negosyante, kung wala kang bibili, wala din po sila. Ang consumer naman, ang dami mong pera, kung wala ka namang mabibilhan, di wala din. Di magsama kayo tayo. Dapat pantay mo. Hindi yung ang layo ng agwat. So ito po yung ginawa namin. And I believe we are the first membership platform to build a powerful ecosystem. Sabi ka nila, may invite ako, sali ka sa Rotary. Ang sabi sa akin, ko, pangmayaman lang yan eh. O di ba? Layos ka, pangmayaman lang yan eh. Ganun na din yung reaction ng mga tao. Na pangmayaman lang daw. At least sa Sukipay, walang sasabing pangmayaman ang mahirap. Tatas po tayo lahat. Alright? So, I hope na-get nyo po yun. Kaya ito, malaking bagay po yan. Let's try it together. We talk about real savings, real income, real impact. Now, so what's in it for you? Discount. Ganahan ba tatala discount? Lagi uman na, kadugi ba na ako mag-senior? Kadugi mag-senior. Pag senior, nag-celebrate, yes, dala ko yung ID. I mean, everybody, di ba? Everybody wants discount. Hindi tumutok ang Pinoy, hindi na dispinto. Kada nini, na, why people, in Luzon, why people go to Divisoria? What's in Divisoria? Kaya maka-discount pa man ka. O sa may counterpart ni Divisoria sa Cebu. Carbon. Yung carbon kasi yung discount, di ba? Muhang yung pa. Now, if you've been to Hong Kong, why do you have to go to Hong Kong? Discount. Mono sa mga Chinese nga Hong Konger dito, makita na kayo Pinoy, murang malisang naanap po din sila. Muhang yun na po. O bitaw na, anak agad kay calculator, itubuan na ng 50% daan. Ayaw hangyo katunga. Hangyo ang 1/4 ato. Kaya presyo na itubuan na daan. That's the secret. Ba't ko alam yan? Eh syempre, may nagsabi sa akin doon na mukha ko na. So ni hangyo ka, napamahal ka pa actually. So next time ha, kung ato gani mo, presyo mo 100 Hong Kong dollar, dapat $25 na lang mo bayaran, dili 100. Egi, patungan na. So, cashback reward, every time you spend, na ay bubalik. Okay? Karon sa atong ihigo karon, may bubalik, sila tagastos. And of course, you've been protected with accident protection or insurance. Okay? You're not here to sell insurance, you are protected if you're a member. Now, konting kaalaman lang po. Let's take a look at the prepaid load market. Mahalaga po ito. Sino po dito yung bumibili ng load or data? Meron mo ba? Anyone? I think lahat po tayo, di ba? Okay. Kakaunti na lang mo ang gumagamit ng postpaid po ngayon. Kakaunti na lang po. Bakit kakaunti na lang? Kasi marami na pong blacklisted na hindi nakabayad monthly. Kaya prepaid na po sila. Now, according to Telco, there are about more than 100 million prepaid user na po buong Pilipinas ngayon. Gano'n kadami. Kaya expired ako na, ituloy ko sumipay. Kasi dito pa lang, sa number pa lang, sinabihan ako, alam mo Mr. Velasquez, yung 100 million pa lang is your future member na sa Sukipay. Parang wow, ang sarap pakinggan nga naman. But yet, walang discount ako pa. Ask yourself right now, how many times you by buying prepaid load? Ma'am, how many times? Why discount na kuha? In fact, napakaigi.
Charge.
Dugan. Bidagdag ka pa. What if I tell you right now, if you're a Sukipay member, it will change everything. All the telco company, tagaan ka discount kung member ka. Alright? Now, anong telco yun? Okay, let's talk about primary merchant. Let me repeat. Primary merchant means kanang atong ipanggastos kada adlaw, kada semana, kada bulan. Primary. Do you agree that kanang atong gipalit nga data or load is already part of basic needs? Do you agree? Wa ba na sa libro? Kasi sa una, basic needs natin sa man, food, water, shelter, di ba? Karoon naman na dito kung haba ng load, nawa ko na dati. Pero karoon mo nag-include na nagila ang mga load, prepaid load. So, Globe Prepaid. Do you know how much you get a discount? Do you know how much discount you will get for Globe Prepaid, including Touch Mobile, if you're a member of Sukipay? 3.5%. Is that okay? Ma'am, is that okay? Sir, 3.5 is okay? Discount? Okay, mag-ito sa unang uwa. Kung sa pagkakalang 3.5. And you can get it right on your interface on your apps if you're a member. When you buy it, don't go to Sari Store or to PayMaya or GCash. You go to your Sukipay and buy it there. Whether regular load or promo load, kaya ka promo load every week man mo change. Regardless of it, entitled ka of 3.5%. Now, what about the Smart, the Talk and Text, and the Sun? Tulungan na under the Smart. automatic 4% yan. What about dito? 4% din. So medyo kuripot si Globe. 3.5 lang. At least. And by the way, walang add-on. Kaya mga members namin ngayon, nai-enjoy po nila yun. And the whole family were enjoying, even the kids. Di ba? Di ba sa unang mama, ngay kong loda, taga, patulog, dagat sa Starstore. Nya, mobile pa tayo, 2, 5, additional, but yet ito, 0. We discount na po yan. Okay? I hope you appreciate that. We also have video streaming merchant. Alam mo yung video streaming? Part na po ng basic needs natin yan. Baka hindi mo po alam. Mamaya, explain ko po sa inyo. And EasyPay will be part of EasyPay. Nagkakadili-dili lang yun yung mga online. Gawa mo ng may bagong online law or taxation law na online. And nadidili yung mga processing ko namin. But at least, good deal na po yan. So again, basic product. Ano yung basic product natin? Yung kinakain natin, bigas. Isa pa po yan. Pinigilan ni BBM yung mga importation rice ngayon for 60 days. For 60 days lang po yan. To give way daw for the local farmer. Unfortunately hindi po kaya ng local farmer ang konsumo ng buong Pilipinas. Hindi po talaga kaya kahit anong gawin. Okay? So, ngayon, pag-usapan natin itong basic ano po. That's why we created pakita mo, high priority. Primary merchant is high priority namin or top priority namin. That's why we created, ano po yun? Zukimart. Zukimart is your neighborhood store. Is that just saying like 7-Eleven one? No, it's not. Mukha lang, pero it's not. Ang concept po dyan is, bahay mo, negosyo mo. Kondo mo, negosyo mo. Hindi mo kailangan ng physical. Mamaya, sabihin ko sa inyo. Ang concept kasi namin is you're a merchant partner, reach more customers, earn more income, become part of nationwide movement. So, one barangay at a time. For example, Cebu City has 80 barangay. So, every barangay, depende kung gaano kalaki. Pwede kayo 3, 4, 5 kayo doon. Sa isang subdivision po, isa lang po kukunin doon. Isang operator lang po ng Zukimart. Kung nakatira ka sa condo na yan, isa lang po kukunin dyan. Hindi po marami para maprotektahan ka namin as operator. Okay? So, it's an ultimate goal is to establish more Zukimart outlet in every cities nationwide. Yun po. At ano ba talaga ang kaya top priority Zukimart eh? The idea is, it's a home-based business or community store concept for Zukimart members. Kita mga members, ano kapalit? O so may palit ka ba dito? Kanang, rice, pork, beef, meat, chicken, and others. So let's just focus na muna tayo with pork, beef, chicken, and rice. Alright? Because itong month na to September, there are about 4 to 5 sabay-sabay mo mag-open. Na ano ko na po yung lugar. Na-inspect ko na po ang lugar. Alright? So, hinintay na po namin yun. Okay. Now, ito pitsura. And by the way, saan kami nang sinusupay namin? Zukify partner with the biggest meat supplier in the Philippines right now. When you say meat imported supplier, sila po yung nagsusupply lahat ng branch ni SM. You're surprised. SM is not using local pork. They're using imported pork. Right? That's why we partner with them so that when Zukimart start to go nationwide, we don't have problem with logistic anymore. Kailangan naman sila. So meaning say, kada major cities, na sila kanang gitawag nila na planta. From abroad, it goes straight to them. And well sanitized. I visit all of their planta already. It's well sanitized yun sila. As in, pati ka itong mga tao dito, naka-jacket pa, naka-glove, naka-mask, we were there. As in, we inspect everything. Okay? Kaya ako, maingat din po ako na maarte ako pagdating sa kalinisan po. Right? So ito po yun. This is, ano ba tawag ito? Pork belly. This is beef cubes. chicken. By the way, our products from the US, Australia, Canada, New Zealand. Yung apat. Yung bipo natin, galing po yan New Zealand and Australia. Okay? Now, ba't ko na sabi na I would prepare the imported compared to local? Sorry to say this, but this is reality. The local is, they're more expensive. You might wonder why they're expensive, the imported is cheaper. Mamaya, bakit ako kayo ng presyo? Because, ang sabi ng mga breeder, local breeder din, eh mahal mo ng feed. Tama mo ba? Mahal ang feed. Eh sino ba nagsusupply ng feed? San Miguel Corporation. Nagsusupply ng feed. So mahal. So kung mahal, ang ikaw sa baboy, mahal ang pagbaligya. Asang nabawi yun? Sa ato consumer. O sa may choice na ito. But you might wonder how come the imported products much more cheaper than the local. That's the thing. Imported na sila. Now, ang tanong, the way pag-alaga ng baboy yung mga pigiri dito, did they comply the regulation? I doubt. But in other countries, you know they're very, very strict when it comes to compliance. Di ba? Sumusunod sila doon. Kaya ito po. And we are using the blast freezing packaging. So mean to say it's well sanitized po. Kaya ang expiry, 1 year. Now, sino po sa inyo dito ang bumibili ng pork sa palengke? Wala naman. Lady, I'm sure she wouldn't buy there. Ako, before, I used to. But right now, sa totoo lang wala pang certified. Pagpunta ko doon, observe lang ako. Binilang ko ho, ilang langaw ho, dumamo doon. As in, bilang na bilang ko po. Ito pala parang, hindi, naging kumapalit ko eh. No wonder day, bisan pagpalit din mo, huhugasan mo, nilagay mo sa ref, after a few days, may amoy na. Kasi, na-contaminate na po yun. Ito 1 year eh. Hindi mangangamoy. Wala naman chemical nilagay. Basta sakto lang yung lamig niya. At pag niluto mo, as it's still fresh, although I don't say it's fresh because it's frozen, but it's well sanitized. Hindi siya contaminated. That's why I think it's better for us to really educate consumer. Ano ba yung binibili natin? Hindi naman natin tinatanggal ng opportunity mag-negosyo ng mga kababayan natin sa palengke. Pero unfortunately, our government, our lack of inspection of sanitation, tama mo ba? Dapat trabaho ng gobyerno yan eh. Di ba? Look around you. All the fried chicken na naka-expose lang yun na. Labi na dito. Labi na apil ahog. Pakapit ahog. They don't care. I don't know why. So, eto, we educate. And we have the Jasmine rice and iron rice and we have those things. Okay? Now, ito may itsura. Ito ba sinabi na ito yung bahay na itsura talaga? Ito yung mag-itsura. Hindi siya yung typical na supermarket na tindahan na rehas niya. No. Even it's inside, it's okay. Pero na ay makita na supermarket na logo. Right? Kung sa condo naman, yan po. So bahala ka na, tuturo ka namin pwede mag-online marketing sa Facebook or may flyers. Sa condo, di ba? Condo may mga mailbox lahat yan. O di drop mo lahat. O kaya doon sa mga kakilala mo, uy, dito ako bumili na tumit sa amin, mas mura. O bigyan mo ng konting flyers. It's about information bed lang na gagawin mo. The usual traditional way of doing it. Okay? Now here's the price. I'm sure tatanungin niyo ako. I'm sure kayo, kung namamalengke kayo ng grocery, alam niyo presyo. Okay? Pork chop. Sa Sukimart po ito ha. Sa amin na po. Meaning, ito yung operator. And by the way, operator dito si Mother Lady. Nakita niyo po yan sa kabila. Si Mother Lady, operator po yan. Right? And I think hindi sa Alabangon, nakuha na namin yung hashtag ng Minimart doon. Yung malaking Minimart doon na hashtag. Na may branch din po siya sa Talisay, dalawa. Okay? Na magiging Sukimart din po yun. Okay? And Don Bosco also, nakuha na rin namin. Inside, Don Bosco not in Don Bosco inside the Pasil. There's the Don Bosco inside. Okay? There will be Sukimart inside. And sabi ni Father, sa loob pa lang daw ng Pasig daw, more than 4,000 residents inside. Doon pa lang buhay na po sila. Okay? Now, check this out. Pork chop. Sa Suki Mart po, 333 kilo. Pag Suki 5 member ka, mabibili mo lang ng 323. Pag non-members ka, 355. Yun po yung presyo ng Solonade at La Nuevo. Nirong spelling ko lang po. Hindi ko naman pwedeng banggitin. Okay? Yan. Yan. 355 po. But by the way, itong mga price na to, it changed the price without price notice. So, this is yesterday's price po ito. Natinignan ko. Yan po. Pork belly 360. Pag member ka, makuha mo ng 349.89. Magkano ho sa Colonnade La Nueva? 399. Pork adobo ka, check out the price. Pag member ka, 324 lang. Pork pata, look at the price. Ground pork, 80%, 20% fat, 80% unod. Look at the price. Pag member ka, ayan, beef cubes. Tingnan yung presyo. Ground beef, chicken adobo ka, wala pa presyo nito. That big savings naman, right? Tama po ba? Okay. Naniwala ba kayo na ang Pinoy, bisag 2 pesos, 3 pesos na dinutog maging basta na yung savings? Correct? Eto tingnan nyo, hindi po 2 pesos, hindi 3 pesos. Look at the savings. Look at those savings. Look at those savings. Swerte ka kung Suki 5 member ka. Pag hindi, ito bili mo. Ito bili mo. Look at the savings. Per kilo to ha. I'm talking about 32 pesos savings per kilo. Not 2 pesos, not 5 pesos. Alam niyo ba na pwede kami lakihan ng kita namin dyan, pero we sacrifice it. Please don't ask me na, paano kayo kita sa Suki 5? Kung binigay mo lahat, meron pa rin kami kaunti. Ang mahalaga sa amin, ma-enjoy nyo as members ho yan. Yan. Ano? Wow. Eto pa. Sino paborito itong pumpano? Pumpano? Ha? Pampano? Masarap ba yan? Napakasarap niyan. Alam mo magkano sa Gaisano Metro yan? Kahapon bumili ako, 550 per kilo. Tingnan mo sa atin. Ang 2 kilograms, market price ha? 2,529. Sa atin ho, 2,006.
Pampano.
Sorry. Pampano, sorry. Pag member ka, 263 lang per kilogram. Kalahati mo halos. Kita mo dito rin? O ito, salmon fillet. May picture ako hinawa ko 2 kilos. 3,200 ang 2 kilos. Yung big salmon, magkano sa atin? 2,600 lang. Kita mo yan? That's the big difference. Pero pag hindi ka member, huwag ka mga compression. Yan, doon ka. Okay? By the way, nilalagay na kayo. I had to shut down the other aircon. Yan, paki-shut down yung isang aircon dyan. Medyo malagay talaga. Sorry ha, wala akong jacket pamilya Okay. So we also have available the tuna, tama. Okay, pero shahada. Pati yung cube, yung pang-kilawin. Ako po, ang sarap po yan. Nakabili na po ako yan. Mura po talaga. Mas mahal pa yung Citramina. Alam mo yung Citramina, nagbebenta ng mga tuna, mahal po sila. Napakamahal. Okay? Dati po doon ako bumibili sa kanila. Ay, ngayon dito na ako bibili. Diba? By the way, kung nagsimula lang kami sa supermarket ngayon, alam mo itong presyo nyo ngayon. So ngayon tanong, saan namin kukunin yan? Lahat ng Sukimart, we provide them an house. Para malocate ninyo sila. Time nung come, igagawin mo lang, Sukimart near me. Narating niya. Narating dito. Narating dito ka pala. Because naniwala mo ako. Kada mga diferensya lang yung tag 5 pesos, at doon mo magaling mo na. You know why people go to holiday? Why?
Wala
barato. Pero taga-asar na po yun. Taga-Talamba na po ba? I mean, literally, biyahe ng doon just to buy. Pero wala nila tanawa, ma'am. Sir, ang ilang di pa masahe, piligi gastos. But discount, ma'am, good is an enjoyment. It's a privilege. Sometimes they don't care. That's why dito, hahanapin mo, pagpunta ka ng supermarket, di ako bibili niyan. Bakit? Alam ko may pagbibili na ako doon mas muna. Okay? So, yan po. I-locate po yan namin. Madali mo nang hanapin kung saan. Again, it's a high or top priority namin yan. Okay? And of course, we will invite you to the opening of some of our Suki Mart para makita nyo. At least alam mo saan bibili. And we will be launching, 3 to 4 months from now, we will be launching Suki Delivery. So the question is, are we competing with Grab Food? Yes, it is. We are competing. Ngano, hindi kaya sa mga Bisaya? Kaya na ito eh. So the good thing about it is, why members should patronize Suki Delivery? Natural, it's part of your community man. Magsigalit ka gamit ng Grab, huwag may naimo. Change brand tayo. Eh bakit naman ang mga members mag-Suki Delivery over Grab? Simple lang. So when you order, let's say for example, if this bottled water costs you 100 pesos, they will charge you 30%. Service fee. Wakay labot ang delivery fee. Okay? I don't know if you've tried it, but that's the way they make money. But in Suki Delivery, we don't charge you 30%. We will charge you only 15%, half of that. But the delivery fee is the same. Hindi na nato pwede kawato kaysa mga motor rider man. Karon pa nga lang sa totoo lang, marami na akong gustong lumipat sa amin. I spoke to a lot of riders, isa rin pangutan na ako, na-insured ba mo? Wala. Wala, sir. Madami na kaming na-aksidente, wala insurance. What if mo bali mo sa kuha, I will insure you for 100,000 accident. Sir, mamalhin eh. So what ka kayo pamuman? So, maabot gina yung panahon, nga na ang gina foreign company nga muhilang sa kuha. Why? Because, ato mo na kababayan, anong di ba na trabahan? Anong igiit ba nato sila? That's the reason why na time will come, kitang members simplify, ipagdilit na ninyo ang food banda o Grab Food ng mga apps. Okay? You will patronize our own. Okay? Just like I ask you, if you're a member of Simplify, please patronize our Simplify. Kaya ma-enjoy mag-bibili mo. Diba? Now, watch and earn. Ito yung sinasabi kong video streaming is part of the primary work channel. Okay? Alam niyo po ba na ito yung pinagagastusan natin? Sino sa inyo dito naka-experience mag-subscribe ng Signal? Ako po, subscriber ko ako dati. Signal, exactly like this. Tapos manood ka ng TV. Tapos pag umuulan, why salida? Diba? Malakas yung ulan, wala isalida. Holiday problema pag satellite dish, kaya wala isalida basta ulan. So, I'm a subscriber of Signal. I paid $5.99 a month. Kaya ko channel. And every time you add a new channel, they will charge you 50 pesos each channel. Diba? Then, subscriber po ko Netflix, kanang $4.59 standard. So I paid more than 900 pesos a month. But guess what? After Sukify, we partner with this PTV. Okay? Lahat po yan, pinaputol ko na po. Ang signal ko at saka Netflix ko, pinaputol ko na. Why would I pay more than 900 where I can pay only, or you can pay only 149? And the good news, lahat yan nandudo na. Ito, that's including, to be exact, 230 channels, local and international, and you can watch it on your phone, on your tab, on TV, everything. Internet connection na kailangan. Question, is that big savings? Paying 500 over 149? Yes, it is. It's a big savings. Pero kaya sukipay ka. And now you understand why maraming member kami ngayon, even outside Cebu, OFW, are taking advantage of this because it's a big savings. Now you understand, a lot of members, OFW members, are doing Shopify, even they get discount with load. I mean, kanang loading data. Dako kaya nagbutang bagay sa ilaha po mga kaibigan. Alright? Now, again, this is high priority. The primary is the top priority. Teka niyo po, primary is the top. Mas gitagaan ng pansin. We focus on building the primary like Sutimart. Okay, mo ang ito essential. The word essential. Alright. Let's go to the secondary merchant, which is not essential. Dili importante. If I may ask each one of you, do you eat restaurant every day? No. You don't. Do you go to coffee shop every hour, every day? You don't. That's why we call it secondary. Do you eat Jollibee every day? You don't. But still, we still are partner. Diba? So I'm waiting for their letter to fly me to Manila so I can sign the MOA because the MOA is still with the legal team right now. As I said, due to the internet online taxation, there's cost the delay. But it's an only done deal. Okay, done deal na po yan. So every Shopify merchant are entitled to have 5% discount all outlet of Jollibee, Chowking, Greenwich, Manisal, nationwide. Pero pag senior ka, you can use your senior. Ayaw mo itong 5%, kaya mas ko pa na senior. Okay? Now, and of course, other secondary is like restaurant. We have restaurant. So we partner with Chubi, we partner with Golden Grill, so there's a lot of restaurant, we have coffee shop. Kada makita nyo coffee shop sa ubos, ako ng merchant. You can get 5% discount. So di pa ka-member ka, pero gusto mo kape, ito nag-invite sa inyo na mabalik ang kape, dahil discount na 5%. Pero senior ka, gamitin yung senior na, ayaw akong percentage. Right? Gas station and everything. And by the way, if you're gonna ask me, Noel, paano ba maging merchant ni Shopify kung naka-existing business or you know someone else? First and foremost, you need to fill up the letter of intent. Intent po yan ay pasay po na kung sa nature ng business, nature ng business, pili-discount yung mahatag sa mukha. Then after that, we will evaluate it kung asa na dapit, okay, naman yung mga requirements. Then of course, before us sign it, the good news is, we don't ask for anything. No upfront fee, no monthly fee, zero po. It's for free. Kung gusto mong mag-apply sa mga merchant, ang may bayad, libre po yan. Discount mo pa ngayon. Ang kapalit yan will provide you food traffic at the same time. And we will advertise you, and we will promote you as well. Para mga members, pangitaon ang coffee shop near me. In fact, right now, if you coffee shop near me, kanang may appeal, kung suppose. Okay, merchant lang siya. Or whatever. So, buksan na yung business. Okay? In fact, ang mga negosyante ngayon, nagpapromote sa boosting sa Facebook, they're paying. But yet, kung sa'yo makuha niyo mo, puro how lang. Di mamalit. At least kini, the members can help you promote at the same time. Alright? So again, it's for free. Walang bayad. Walang bayad. But again, you belong the secondary merchant. Unless na siguro kung imong merchant ay nabilong sa primary ka na, top priority na siya. Top priority po na siya. So also Shopify merchant partners are independent companies. In other words, I don't own it. Ang pagmamayari ko po, yung platform. Just like Grab. Grab is owned the platform, but it doesn't mean that he owns all the merchant. Like the restaurant. Klaro tayo dun ha. Kung pumalpak yung merchant, ayaw ko pasangihin o mugilabot ako, lahi man ng management. Okay? So how to become a member Noel? Okay, ito na. You cannot be a member of Shopify unless someone sent you a referral link. Kung nakasabot ka karoon na, ganana ko pa member, then ask the referral link to the person who invited you. Then after that, kung meron pa rin referral link, moment po yung gamitin mo pag imong invite ang imong mga friends and family and members. Okay? Of course, you start with it. And you fill up the form, hindi uso sa amin ng papel-papel, ganyan yung fill up it should be online. So just follow all the instructions. Then after that, all the payment will be done through the sended, yung payment gateway natin. Pag complete na po yan, automatically, you are covered by Stronghold. But for those who are 60 years old and above, hindi na po kayo covered because that's the rules, that's the policy. Again, don't buy it. But at least na nagtulong na rin po ito. Especially sa mga And by the way, pwede na ho, tumanggap na ho kami ng membership kahit yung nasa 13 years old. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 years old. As long as there's a parent's consent. Kasi when they fill up the form, at nilagay nila yung birthday ko nila, i-detect po ng system yun na, uy, below 18 to. So kailangan hingin po ng parents' name or guardians para makompleto po yung registration. Okay. So ito na po. Sige, magkano bang membership, Noel? Bago ko po sabihin sa inyo, I don't know kung alam nyo na, tanong ko lang po, anong negosyo po ngayon, alam nyo? Ma'am, anong negosyo po ngayon alam mo sa 2,000, 2,000, may alam mo ba yung negosyo 2,000 na pwede na ako magsimula? Ma'am, na may ibalan? 2,000, makasunod yung negosyo na may ibalan? Kung saka na negosyo pwede na ma'am? Quick, di sa good. So, 2,000 di hapon na, tapos di mo kakareton. Di ba? Parang wag ma'am na. Okay. Assuming na lang na. Assuming lang na. Ang pamataan na. Gutom na kasi ito. Takto, hindi nila din mo bit-bit. Ano ba? Huwag mo na cellphone. Unless kung may digital, di mo yung kwek-kwek. Digital. So in other words, ang atong istoryahan karon is business. O sa istoryahan na ito karon?
Business.
Business ha? Negosyo istoryahan na ito karon. Dili kung ano-ano. Let's talk about
Business.
business. Okay? Hindi maki-business at business. Ilay mo puhunan? Of course, we call it the membership. 1,888 one time. Wala yung puhunan. Now, if you say, ay, dako ka na, Noel. Dako kung gastos. But business point of view, gamay. Sakto po. Do you agree with me? Gamay ba na siya? Correct? But again, I'll give you the benefit of the doubt siya na, ay, dako gyapon, sige, pagbibigyan kita. Pero pagkatawag siya ng presentation, magiging gano'n niya, gamay bibigyan. Okay? Now, you are a premium class, meaning, you're not just a membership, naipakapin. Ako, member ko Rotary, Igos, Ukuban pa, BCBP. Puro hindi bayaran na, puro may pakapinali. Na ako no, rubbing elbows with business people, diba? Palakasan. It's not kininaan. Right? No, are we a networking? No, we are not. Kita pa rin ang uban na pag-gas ka 5,000, 8,000, 20,000, tapos pag-ulit mo sa imong balay, hala, ang dami mo produkto, bit-bit mo na. Pag-abuti mo sa imong balay, kung saan mo na balik ka? Eh, then, nabudol ka na. Di ba? Pag inabuta ka ng expiry, iba na one-take-one mo na. Tama po ba? Hindi po tayo gano'n ha. Pag sinabi na networking ba si Sukipay, hindi po membership po si Sukipay. Klaro tayo doon. Klaro. So, dahil negosyo pinag-usapan natin, pag-usapan natin paano kayo tumita. So, ano yung pag-usapan natin? Paano kayo
Tumita.
Okay. Tanong, mahalaga ba ang pera sa buhay natin?
Yes.
Importante ba ang salapi sa atong kinabuhi?
Yes.
Sakto ba? Bisaya? Sakto? Ako'y sakto. I-practice na doon na ako. Salapi? Awas na na. Ang salapi is?
Tagalog.
Tagalog, no? Sa may Bisaya, sa Akwarta, okay? Okay. So, ganahan ba ta, mag-istorya ta, paano ta makakwarta? Yes or no? Ganahan ta, mag-istorya. Magkakwarta ta. Sa bottom line. Diba? Huwag tao pa kung di ganahan mamino, makakwarta. Correct? Kaya kita ka na minanglan mo? Kwarta. Kaya importante ang kwarta. Kaya kung may kwarta, pastilan, problema na po. Di ba? Karon, mag-isgot ng kwarta. Sa Tagalog daw, may kasabihan. Buti pa daw ang pera ay may tao. Pero tayo mga tao gusto kumita ng pera. Kasi mukha kayo. Walang sumagot. Alam niyo na. Okay. So, pag-usapan natin. Okay na. Okay. Number 1. Sa Sukipay, pag sineryoso mo ito, pwede kang kumita ng araw-araw. Araw-araw. Okay. Basta may phone ka na, okay na. Number 2, araw-araw din. Number 3, monthly. Hindi ka ma-zero. Daily, monthly. Okay. So, pag-usapan natin yan, up to 1 to 6. Ano yung number 6? Legacy. income. Ito pinaka-biggest sa lahat. Okay. Una, sumali yan. 1,880. Shinare mo yung Shopify. Sumali yung kaibigan mo. Sige, gusto ko kasi sino ba naman ayaw ng discount? Tama? Naglabas din siya. After 24 hours, after registration, kasi ginamit yung personal link, meron kang 500 as a token na binigay ni Shopify for your effort for inviting someone else. Remember, you invite the person because you wanted to share the benefits. Parang good na, i-invite ko sa Rotary. Nang-invite ko Rotary. But I didn't get anything. Nothing, zero. Pero nagpagawa sa tagparta. Here you got 500. Shinare mo sa pangalawa. Shinare mo na to. Let's say, mabagal ka. Sa isang buwan, halos bawi mo na yung 1,880 mo. Bakit? Kasi pag pumasok ko yun, nag-register ko ngayon, bukas, pagdating ng alas 6 bukas, pwede mo nang withdrawin after 24 hours. Ang 500 mo. Or kung ayaw mo withdrawin, pwede mo ibili sa mga merchant. Pwede ng loan, video streaming, or pwede mo ibili sa Supimart kung meron na. Pwede mo ibili yung amount na yun na walang charges, walang pakabin. Okay? So 1.5 pa lang, para na halos bawi ka na. Okay? In other words, sa totoo lang, magkano sweldo ng mga tao ngayon? Inkano? 501 to be exact pesos. Dapat i-1. 1 na lang yung 510. You want good. At ang pumunta na, sigurado ka ba, ang isang empleyado nga ang 500 na pero mabilis sa usakan daw? Zero na po yan. Maniwala mo na yung wala na. At least, kung naning-income mo na siya ng Shopify, siya 500 pesos in a day. Okay? So this is daily income. Another daily income, yung tinatawag natin indirect. Okay, ikaw yan. Inibita mo ako. Siyempre, meron kang 500. Tama. Because you invited me, are you sure you're link? Eh ako, inibita yung pinsa ko sa Manila. Hindi mo kilala. Diyos, may 100 ka, hindi mo kilala. Yung pinsa ko sa Manila, inibita yung taga Baguio. Oh, may 100 ka, hindi mo kilala. Yung taga Baguio, inibita yung kaibigan yung taga Zamboanga. Oh, hindi may 100 ka, hindi mo kilala. Pero makikita mo lahat yan sa grupo. Saan ba ito galing ko 100? Every day. Oo nga naman. Dahil hindi naman ako makakagraduate dito kung wala ka, ganun din sila. Okay? Ay, ito po ay daily. Halimbawa, ikaw to ulit. Inimbitan mo ako. Dinala ko yung 3 kaibigan mo ngayon, umaten. Ganun lang ako, simple. Eh, kaming 4, gustong-gustong Shopify. Sali kami. Sabi ko sa 3, wait. Huwag na kami sumali. Mauna mo na ako mag-register, syempre. Mauna mo na ako, tama? After a few minutes, sumunod yung 3. So pag-register ko ngayon, meron ka 500. Ngayon, sabay-sabay, si Ana, si Bob, doon nag-register. On the same hour. O, di may 1.5 ako. Ang good news, may 300 ka. Pero hindi ikaw nagdalayan ako. Nakinig lang dito. Or one-on-one presentation. Ganun na kasimple. Ang tanong, doon makukonvince ba talaga namin tao? Bakit? Kumakain naman yan eh. Bumibili ng essentials yan. Diba? Nagpa-register na tayo sa Landers Exam, wala naman tayo napapala, wala naman tayo nakuha. Tama mo ba? Sige nga. Ilang tao na register nyo doon? Wala. Ang dami. Nihani mo, wala ka tayo nakuha. Tama? Alright. Itong number 1, number 2, isang beses ka lang kita. Bakit isang beses? Kasi isang beses lang naglabas ng 1,888. Tama? Kasi kung ginawa ko yearly yan, edi yearly sana kayo kita. Pero hindi na natin gawin doon. Pahirap pa lang po ang tawag doon. Ito pinakamaganda. Ito kung pinakamaganda. Yung effort po for the next 3 to 4 months ay wala akong masasayang. Ito pa. The most awaited part, number 3. Cashback reward program. Pagkatapos mo mag-1,888, after 30 days, obligado na po kayo magbayad ng monthly membership na 188 pesos. Ama, question. Dako, gamay. Monthly.
Gamay.
Dako, gamay. Dako, gamay o dagmay? Asa ka lang doon? Dagmay. Gamay. Very good. I wonder some people, I was surprised when I presented this issue. Dako ba na, sir? 188? Dako. Hindi ka itong syudad, tiginan ako, sir. Milk tea mo na. Starbucks naman na. Usang ka adlaw. Ikaw ba'y, pili ka itong manghingumay sa among silingan. Red horse na puno na iyan. Hubog pa siya. But yet, yun siya na dako. Good thing. At least, okay, sabihin natin, it's gamay. Which is true. Gamay lang siya, ha? Gamay. Did you know that every time nag-188, let's say ako, under kanimo community, I use your referral name. When I join 1,888, you make how much? 500, right? When I pay my 188 next month, you will earn 8.88 reward points. So the reward points in pesos is 1:1. So magiging 8 pesos and 88 centavos every time like that 188. Do you follow me? Okay. There it is. Legally, kanang 188, that's why every members can contribute a small amount which is being redistributed as cashback reward. Legally, kanang inyong i-buy sa ako 188, pwede naman mo, din ako mahatag sa inyo. Pwede ho. Just like what you pay for Signal, Netflix, kung sa mga bills na to, pwede na. Because na-enjoy naman yung discount. Pwede na good hindi ko mahatag. But yet, I still decided to give back to the community. 188. Here's the amazing part. And I want you to look at it. But before that, this is how you build a community to give back. Namatay, amigo, igado si Dina, nawala. Gamay na ka. Buhay pa. Buhay pa. Iniagi may tagkubi. Like me, when I started Sukify, I have all the lists. I have 250 lists of friends. When I start calling them, unfortunately, uy, ano ba ito yung classmate? Ano rin? Namatay sa COVID. So I have to call each one of them. Dili ko mo presume, kaya otherwise, mo na hanggang buhay pa rin. Kung wala, basi nagsigil ang lista-lista. So gibutang lang dito, rest in peace na. Kaya basi pagsigong panawa mo, hindi na patay na niya. So that's why I ask you, kung buhay pa, yun, kung buhay pa. Ato nang imbitaron, ato nang sharean Sukify. Now, the good news is, pag sumali ka sa ibang real estate, networking, insurance, ang sinasabi ng speaker, invite as many as you can. Gabihan mo, tughanin mo invite. Dagay mo recruit, maging massive recruiter ka. Para bang, wow, ang sarap pakinggan. Ang hirap kaya. Ano? Sa Sukify, hindi namin kayo pagagawa ng gano'n. Ito lang mo required. Do you know at least 3 to 5 people are highly motivated, hardworking, at may pangarap? I'm sure ikilala. No. It could be your husband, your spouse, your son's a daughter, or it could be someone else. 3 to 5 na. Nawala lang naman na pulo. Hindi, karapaan na pulo. Kita lang sa, let's focus on 3 to 5. Why is it well? Because I believe it's easy to manage. Okay? Mura na lang ang anak ba? Napulay mo anak, ano mo na i-manage? Ang hirap. Pero kung anak mo 3 to 5 lang, madali i-manage. Alright? Meaning, kalang 3 to 5, hindi mo lang napakilong rin. Natin checklist. I suggest kamo mga first timer, if you really want to do the seryoso mo Sukify, I suggest keep on attending seminar like this. Because the first time you attend, you said it's good, you're excited. But the question is, you don't know how to talk about it. Tama? The second time you attend, you start to observe it. The third time you don't know, hindi today, mas ma-appreciate mo. Ang belief system mo, mas mataas na naman. Pati yung sa speaker, makakuna naman mo. Diba? So most likely, you familiarize everything. Believe me, on the 5th time, you can share, you can talk to someone else. Kaya hindi ba yan, anong panahon na badala ni mo diri mo amigo? Pwede na ba di mo nag-chika-chika sa imong balay sa musilina? Takto? Kanya, what if? Imo silina na, uy, kay Bono mo ko nag-Sukify ka, kanan, imo na ko share yung kay Bono. Nanay, 1,888 ka mo. Hindi ka na mo explain. Ano pa din ka? Noel, asa makadabi? Sino ka pwede? Dapat ikaw, alam mo. Tama? Hindi mo na yung negosyo, hindi mo na yung amuha. So alamin mo ang negosyo mo. So ito po importante. But don't worry, we will train all of you. Lahat kayo iti-train namin. Free, walang bayad. Okay? That's why we have seminar room like this. Okay. Now, here's the question. Is it possible that your 188 will turn into millions. Huh? No, sir.
Yes.
Is your 188 will turn to millions? Is it
Yes.
possible? Is it possible?
Yes.
Sa ng audience ngayon, no? Sana lahat ng audience natin ganito. Kasi di siya nga, malabo yan! Ano yung mga ganun, di ba? Malabo yan! It's okay. O baka naman nahiya lang kayo na mag-yes na lang kasi ako'y kaharap mo. Sige, I'll give you benefits of the doubt. Okay. Ha? Because according to the book of economics na libro, to make millions, you must invest millions. Ako? But how come it will become million? Okay. Let's go back. Remember the SARS? Remember this kanina?
Yes.
Is 188 affordable? Yes. So it's sustainable.
Yes.
It's realistic. And it's scalable. So, just here to believe because I'm going to reveal it to you right now. Unless you don't want to make millions, then I'm done. You want to make millions?
Yes.
You
Siyempre.
want to make millions or not? Because if you don't want to make it, humana po. Tapos na po. But you want me to share it, then I'll continue. Do you want me to continue?
Yes.
Okay. You know the reason why I asked you about it? Because your time is so valuable. Yung mahalaga, malay mo, baka bilakad mo kayo. Di ba? Mahalaga oras nyo. At ganoon din po, mahalaga oras ko. Kaya di ko mag-iyaw-yaw diri kung di ko yung payagan na ako idayon. Okay, kung yung payagan, din ako ipatayon. But since you said this go, then I'll go. Salamat po, idayon din naman ikaroon. Oh, here it is. Ikaw ikaroon. Of course, someone registered you or referred you. This is the 3x3 duplication model. When you see 3x3 duplication, ang tulo, naging tulo, tulo. Okay? Sige lang. Mura na ka ng imong kanang, kita ka transmitting mo tulo. Kita ko niyo, hato bulan ka ng barkada. Di ba? Alright. So this is what we call the layer 1. Let's say for the whole month of September. O kung man ng September, no? Makakuha kang tulo. Sa tulo pa lang na kay 1.5, halos bawin ka lang. Okay. Tulo. Wala kang ginawa sa tulo kundi, uy, attend ka training ha? Hindi tawag na itong MAP. Members Awareness Presentation. O, lista. Uy, nakalima na. Okay, very good. Motivate na pa. Parang, it's a winning team. Those 3 people is your winning team. Okay, monitor. Okay, naka-attend training. Okay. After September, na-busy ka. Ala, napang ko'y laging buhat. Sige lang. But remember, kanong tulo, nakatulo naman sa to. They know how to present, one-on-one, or malay mo, sa tulo, na ikamono porsyento kinani, mas grabe na, mas pas. What happened for the month of October? Kinitulo. Can they invite tulo? Yes, of course, because the goal is tulo-tulo. For the first week of October, those 3 become 9. First 2 weeks of October. The 3rd week and the 4th week of October, those 9 become 27. So this happened on the month of October. 27 times 3 is 81. This happened on the month of November. So probably between December and January, this 3x3 duplication, you'll be surprised na kay 9,840 people under your committee. But yet, tulo rin isog na mo, pagkaman sa tulo, wala na kayo nila ng isang bagong bisa-kusa. Wala na yun, as in literal. Kami sa na tulo, wala na sa bigay ko ang bago, tulo ka sa amin. In short, after 3 to 4 months, mga sir, mga ma'am, kanang 9,840, eksakto na gina, walay na dugang. Ang mindset na tatanan, bisabihin na na, wait, suki ba ka? Pila po dyan, eh. Hindi na mo nga, ayaw lang sa kay tuluragin ko. Imagine, hindi na pagdating mo, walay ko pa, tulurag yun. So, gibalibanan. If that's the mindset. Now, question. Pila kayo ito yung ipagawas kada bulan? 188. Silang tanan, the same. As I said, every time magpagawa sila ng 188, you will earn 8.88 pesos. Tanaw ang tuloy mo. 3 times 8.88, nakay 26.54. Gamay pa. Ang imong 9, 79.92 plus, ay mo 27, plus, and a total of 87,359.76 monthly. Okay na ba na extra income, mga ma'am, mga sir? Okay na.
Okay.
Ang pautan na, piling ipagawas din mo ka ng bulan. 188 lang. Naka-enjoy ba kang discount?
Yes.
Naka-enjoy ka. Sila, ganon din. Happy sila lahat. Kung ikaw kumikita ka ng 87,000, for sure, itong tatlo, ganon din. Hindi na mo ikaw. Alright? Ito naman nasa 8 layer, meron din siya, up to the 8 layer din siya. Pero hanggang 8 layer lang. Bakit 8 layer lang? Kasi yun lang mo ang kaya ng kumpanya. Kaya mo ibigay sa iyo. May ganina kaysa what good. Okay? Sa tulog. Kasi after 3 months na nahimasmasan ka, ano sa ano? Huwag sayang mong tuluran. Hindi tuluran, amigo na po. What in ka? Noon pwede ko magsugod 5. O kaya after tulog, nagdugod ka 2. O 5 na. So, let me share to you the projected income sa 5. Okay. 5 ha? Kasi kanina tulo-tulo man, hindi 5-5. O ito na. 5 times 5, ilan? 25. Times 5, 125. 625. 3125. 5625. 17225. 39625. Add it up. 488,280 community. But yet, piliregisod na mo.
5.
After that, 1 acre no, 1 acre ito, 5 lang. Kamisan, 5 lang siya. Kini, 5 lang. 113. But we continue paying 125. And by the way, you don't need to collect 188 to each one of them. You need to remind because na notification. And by the way, ay auto-deduct ko na siya. Pag nanay makitaan sa imong phone na 200 pesos, i-deduct na niya 188 ang sukain mo na. Okay? For example, nag-income ka o 3,000, i-deduct na niya 188, automatic, no collection needed. Now you understand why a lot of organizations join us because it's a silver platter na pinigay. Wala nang accounting. Okay? Nagas nyo? So this is automatic deduct. So tanaw mo pila income nito. Sa first, 44. You go down below. That's 4.3 million naman. Okay na ba yan? Ma'am, okay na ba yan?
Okay na.
Pila kita yung gusto na? Nala kay 5 kapugihan. Kakto? 5. I'm sure we know someone kapugihan. 5. Kaya kami sa 5, nasa 5 kapugihan. So ibig sabihin, kinitanan, puro kugihan. Mga kapili, kung gusto yung dili, gusto 5 lang, 4.3. Ang katawan ng dihan, nag-income ka 4.3, pagpakutan na sa imo, pinamigay pagwas nyo dyan, 188 lang. See, that's the point. In short, sa negosyo pa, ang imong operating expense is only 188 pesos. Pag income mo, gipildi pa rin mo mga negosyante sa gawa sa dagko, million hindi kapital. Galaban pang pulo karon. Okay? Now, akala nyo tapos na? Mali. Ang pinag-usapan kanina ng 188. Paano pag-usapan natin? Oh, by the way, ito ha, how you can track your real time? Day 1 to 30. Kanya-kanya tayo kasi, iba-iba ang petsa natin pag-join. So, pag day 1 to 30 po yan. Pagdating ng 8, cash out mo na. Kung medyo maliit na amount, pwede sa pay na yan, cash, go time. Pero kung malalaki na, check na ibibigyan natin sa inyo. We'll talk to our accounting department. Pero kung ba, di bawas sa bangko mo na mag-deposit ng 1 million, 2 million a month, okay lang yun. Sabihin mo lang. Pero medyo bawal, then may issue a check. Ikaw na po pa yung cash. And for the past months, hindi ho kami pumaltos every day, nagpe-pay out po kami. Alright? So I'm looking forward for the next couple of months, each one of you will be earning 6 to 7 pages a month already.
Yes.
As long as you just simply follow the system. Sistema naman eh, hindi naman yun mo gumon. Okay? Kaya inyong kabuhi karon, mamuna mo yun na. Okay? Yan. And by the way, what about the 149? What if all your members in your community subscribe to our video streaming? Okay. Barato man yun. So, posible ba na nga, kini mga tao, by the way, every 149, you will get 250. Okay? Kada na mo subscribe 149 sa iyong community, na makuha, 250. Now, the question is, kini mga community mo sa okay na, di ba? Nag-maintain ng 188. Is that possible also, magsugod na sila na, ay, kanang 149, ipa-autodidact na sanda ko na para di na ako magsipag o sa kwarta. Is that possible?
Yes.
Yes, kaya pwede mo autodidact. So, pwede. So, automatic. So, pag ibong 250, 250, 250, yan naglan man. That's still 1.2 million. And now you will realize, how come Netflix was not able to do this? Bakit hindi nagawa ni Netflix? Sige nga. At nagawa namin. Muni ang klaro na watch and earn instead of watch and pay. Kasi ginusto namin. Alam mo, there's another terminology about the word cashback. They call it, the corporate called as profit sharing. Profit na mo ha, i-share sa inyo. Tanong ko, masama mo ba yun o maganda? Maganda na ba? Maganda ho yung halikain namin intention. Kasi kung hindi mo namin kayo binigyan, wala tayong inocompute ngayon. Akin na 188, tapos na usapan. Dahil nag-share kami ng profit na yun, halos kalahati ng 188, ibinilig namin sa inyo. Okay? Now, let's combine your income. Ito 188, ito yung sa 149. Ito, same people ha, autodidact. Magkano income mo pag combine? 5.5 million. Pero pila rin ipagawa mo monthly? 337 pesos. Tanong ko kayo, saan mas klaro? Tataya ng loto o magsipag sa Shopify? Mas klaro pa din.
Kada buwan pa.
Now, reality, yeah, this is more clear, more feasible, more doable, more realistic. Ngayon, nakunuwal na overwhelm ako sa lahat ng pinapakita mong income, grabe. Di ko alam kung totoo, it's too good to be true. Okay? Let's go back again to SARS. Now you remember the SARS, right? You said it's affordable, am I right?
Yes.
So it's sustainable. Lahat ng pinakita ko ay realistic. Alam mo yan. It's scalable. If the answer is yes, then everything is good. If the answer is no, hindi tugba sa SARS, ay nagbubulahan lang tayo. O binubula ko na kayo. This is reality. If you fail in Shopify, don't blame me. Blame yourself. If you succeed in Shopify, blame me. Ganun lang po kasimple yun. If you make millions in Shopify, please blame me. Ano lang kasimple? Hindi sinuwan mo with dahilan nakita ko million. It's a good, blame. Saan naman? Again, reminder, let's focus on promoting our primary merchant. That's why this is very important. Since we all use and buy our daily essential needs from them, at the same time enjoy the benefit savings. We believe that focusing on primary merchant partner will lead to massive results, empowering to build stronger community. Because of this, dadami ang members natin. Do you agree? Yes or no?
Yes.
Because of this, promote the primary. That alone. Bakit di kayo kininduha? Kini musunod naman eh, basta na ni kwarta. Kaya, ay, padidak na ng 149, musunod na ni. Ba't yan na ang yapon? Alam mo kung yung mga personal company, kung pwede lang lagyan ko ng cashback yun, pero murag, stress na mag kayo. Libog. Right? So, again this is our top priority. So in short, SukiMart can transform SukiPay from a nice-to-have discount apps into a must-have daily savings platform. Dati kasi ito pinopromote namin. Na-realize ko, nababagalan mo ako eh. Pero nung ito na may SukiPay, parang ang bilis. Kasi you don't need to hard sell. Kasi dati natin ginagawa na po ito, yun nga lang, walang discount tayo nakukuha malaki.
Yes.
Ang yumayaman lang ay yung mga negosyante. Tama? Yun. So look at those membership. Tingnan mo. Non-essential versus essential. Tingnan mo difference. Yung retention power po natin ay napakataas sa members. Kaya wala akong nakikita dahilan ang mga members hindi magpapamember. Kasi lahat tayo ay gustong makadiskwento, makabili ng murang bilihin. Yun po yun.
Yes.
Right? Yan. Ito yung mga networking na, nagbebenta ng mga food supplements, ang mahal-mahal na, nagbebenta pa rin. Ano pa kayo natin? Kaya mo, naniniwala ko kami na talagang grabe po. You'll be surprised. Ito ako, mapupuno na ko itong training na to dahil yan. Sa SukiMart. So, as I said, we have this autodidact. You don't need to worry anymore. Okay? Skip ko na. Ang madalas na sabi ng mga tao, kumikita lang dyan doon yung mga nauna. Sagutin ko yan. Mali. Mali ka. Patunayan mo ngayon sa iyo, sino masipag, mas maraming kita. Ikaw po ito. Ang na-invite mo, isa na. Usahin ko din down. Not 3, not 5. Usa na. Kisa na. Si Noel. Na-invite mo. Ako. Question. Am I capable to build 5? Am I?
Yes.
Am I? Yes. Am I capable to make 4.3 million in 6 months time? Am I?
Yes.
Yes. If I'm capable, I make 4.3. So I'm your first player, meaning you will only enjoy your 8 up to my 7th layer. Very well nakikita. Correct? Alright. If I make 4.3 million, you know how much you earn? 867,176.40. Lingkod-lingkod na lang kasbalay. Kung makakita ka kukinan ng pera. So paano mo natin yan? Hanapin mo, baka nandiyan lagi sa tabi-tabi. So is that there? Is that fair enough?
Yes.
Basta po kung income kasi mukha. Tama? Yan, proven tested na yan. Si Mother Lily, mas malaki kinikita niya kaysa doon na saan nag-sponsor na kanya. Pero, dapat. Huwag man tayo choice kay moment ng sponsor na, hindi natin makakuha. Ako, huwag mo kayo choice, lagid ka. Hindi mo na pwede nga, uy ma'am, huwag ba kayo gibuhat? Ang binain mo 800 no, it's your right, it's your privilege. Kaya naman, ikaw may ginikanan ako. Di ba ko kaabot rin kuha ka? Sakto? Then you deserve what income. Pero ho, pinatunayan ko lang na hindi dito sino nauna. Ang mahalaga, sino masipag. Masipag ako. Now, do you think limali ako bumato? Pwede ba naman himo na po? Pag himo na ako ng 10, by 10 by 10, I'll be making like 800, almost 900 million a month income na po if I do the 10 by 10. Then ikaw, ang kitaon mo is 10% of 900 million. That's your income. Buda-buda lang ka. Wala rin mo ito. So, start looking for that people now, before it's too late. 188, you know that. This 188 will change our life forever. Up to the 8th year of the end. SukiPay is not an investment. We don't say it's guaranteed earning. It only guaranteed if you work for it. Huwag kumingon nga mag-188 ng utubo lang 10% per hour. Huwag kumingon na. Trabahoin natin lahat yan. Then you can sell them. Pamaligan yun. Charo, huwag ikay kwarta. May ka nga, wag ako may 188, sell them. Paligan mo. Use the discount as your profit. Kanya aside sa discount, mamulit ka pa magka 2 pesos, 5 pesos. Ganun sige ako tuloy mo, right? Sell video streaming culture. Sharon, bakit nagkakwarta? Or nasa tayo na skincare product. Okay, 20%, pwede kang maligyan. Lifestyle incentive, I'll announce this soon. Dari, panghatag lang ng kotse doon. Travel, balay, ipanghatag lang mo doon. Sino bibigyan namin? Yung mga masipag, hindi yung mga tamad. And the last but not the least is the legacy inheritance. If you're employed, self-employed, you will experience the 4R. Number 1, retire. Number 2, resign. Number 3, retrench. Number 5, 4, rest in peace. Pag nangyari po yan, lahat ng pinagpagura mo ng ilang taon, mawawala po lahat yan. At alam niyo po yun. Tama? Ang hirap ng trabaho. Biglang mawala lang. So what happened here? Sa Zukify members. If something forbid, that person died, and this person making a lot of money every month, million. What will happen to his million income from Zukify? This person doesn't need to worry anymore. Why? Because everything passed to the family. All the income goes to the beneficiary. That's why when you fill up the form, mamutan na kinsay beneficiary mo. Because we believe that your effort should never go to waste. That's why we have a legacy income policy, ensuring that the income you build through Zukify continues to benefit your family in case may mangyari hindi maganda sa'yo. According to our friends who joined yung mga nasa insurance, sabi na, no one, this is better than insurance policy.
True.
Am I right? Ang insurance policy, pag hindi mo nabayaran yun, what will happen?
Lapse.
Lapse. Ito,
Wala.
tuloy-tuloy. Kasi ang concept dito, siya na may namatay at community buhay man. So, ibig sabihin, nagsitigyan po sila o habilitate, correct? So, continuous ang income, tuloy-tuloy po ang income. So I hope you see this opportunity, like, you know, if you care and love your family, then this is it. And for those single right here, so to be, you're going to get married soon, this is a better opportunity for you to build your legacy. Please don't be the employee mindset. You should be entrepreneur mindset. Wala mo naman talaga yung mayaman sa pagiging empleyado, alam natin yun. Kaya ako huminto ako maging nurse kasi wala po talaga kumikita doon. Magkano ang kailangan natin for retirement? Alam niyo po yan. Okay? Mahabang usapin po yan. Let's accept the reality. Think about it. Anong negosyo mo yun na pwede 1,888 at OPEX na 188? Tindahan? Wala po. Papainhirit ka kanina na. Ang tindahan? Anak, itong sari-sari store ko, itatayo mo yun, ipamamana ko sa iyo. Kailan? Kung pumamahin mo na nagsira-sira store, wala ipamana. Meron ipamana, utang. Pamana, pag-uwi sa bangka, ipamana sa utang. At ito, pinamanahan natin magandang kinabukasan. Zukify. Pwede, lalo hindi. Ano magandang negosyo? Zukify lang. Kasi it's portable. Cellphone na tapat. That's the beauty. At pinag-usapan natin ngayon, Philippine market pa na. Eh kung pag-usapan natin next year, global. Di ba maganda? Ang daming Pinoy. Kahit sa sulok ng mundo, may Pinoy. So, kung tayo huminto, huwag mo tingnan na 3 to 5. No. Think about how many people you're going to help every day and share, certify, and change their lives forever. O dapat ato mindset. Kaya sana nga, kada tanong mo 500, kada tanong 500. Dapat ang tingin mo, paano matutulungan siya? Paano matulungan ito? Yung kamag-anak mo na hihingi-hingi, ka, bigyan ka ng negosyo para din kasi pa kayo. Don't give them fish, but teach them how to fish. Okay? So paano mo bawiin ang negosyo mo? Tatlo pa lang. Bawi ka na, 1.5. Eh kung yung tatlo, nagdala ng pinagtatlo, pwede 900, pwede 2.4 ka na. Kahit ipamuta ko pa sa 5.6 yan, makabayad ako sa 5.6 sa Mumbai. In 1 month. Tama? Yun. Eh, Noel, ayaw ko naman negosyo, gusto ko lang member. O, di ba basic at 288? Ito lang. Discount ka lang. Pero hindi ka pwede mag-build ng community. In short, bawal magkwento sa kaibigan about Zukify. Bawal. So kung kailangan mo, dali ko kailangan mo. Then if ever you change your mind,
Upgrade.
you upgrade. Ano doble na? Nag-28 ka pa, hindi dapat na hinuon. But sa tinuro ba yan? Huwag kayo na-join na nito kung abay ano dito. Unless na you promise nila, Noel, wag ko'y sultian. Okay, go for 28, wag ko'y sultian. Still, but I suggest, go for this. 110 na bitaw na. And every 188 you pay, the 8.88 budget goes to the foundation. Alright? Because we support education, providing healthcare, aiding disaster relief, and the most important for me is providing elderly facilities because I've seen all the elder facilities all over the Philippines and it's really as in makalupi ka. That's why I'm focused to that foundation. And I'm proud to say, this is the only foundation in the Philippines na I'm not dependent with donors, like local, international. I don't. Because Sukipay alone can sustain Naval Foundation. Kakalagan, 8.88 sa kada member na foundation. Okay? That's why this is very easy to go very involved. So we believe, we try, we give back, we believe in making a difference. We help. So what we tell you to take action, it's time for you to benefits now. Ask the person to invite you. Now that we've shown the full potential Sukipay, you might be asking yourself, have I truly achieved what I want in life? Could Sukipay be the breakthrough I've been waiting for? Or could be Sukipay the answer prayer for me? Then think about this. SARS. I'm done. Follow us on Facebook. Almost 10,000 followers. Okay? And go to our Facebook. Nandun po tayo. And I'm done. So I hope I was able to share with you something very important today. And I would like to say thank you also for spending your time with us also.